Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Adelola Sheralynn, your divorce lawyer, here to help you turn fear into power when happily ever after fades away. And I am continuing on my series to debunk common divorce myths. The next myth that we are going to talk about today is that in the state of New York, if you have your child 50% of the time, so you have 50% custody with your child's other parent, that you do not have to pay child support. This is a myth. The fact that you have your child 50% of the time will not necessarily absolve you of your obligation to pay child support. This is especially so if you make more than your co-parent. In the state of New York, the statutes do not address this issue. So when I say statutes, I'm talking about the laws themselves that are written into those old law books. They do not address the issue of who pays child support if the other person makes more money or if one person makes more than the other person. However, we have this nifty thing in the law called case law, and that is law that is created by our judges as they write decisions on cases that come before them. Case law says that the person who makes the most amount of money in a 50-50 custody arrangement pays child support to the other person. Oh, wait, no, how's that possible? I also have to pay money to house little Johnny or to house little Cindy or clothe little Johnny or clothe little Cindy. Why should I have to pay money to the other person? Well, the fact of the matter is that the court presumes that the person who makes the most amount of money is in a better situation to afford those things for little Johnny or for little Susie or Cindy than the person who makes the least amount of money in the relationship. However, please realize that just about anything under the sun is negotiable depending upon who your adversary is. So you should always try to negotiate the issue of how much money you'll have to pay. And I will tell you that the more time you have with your child, and I'm not talking about 30% of the time, I'm talking about if you have that child very, very close to 50% of the time, you should at least try to negotiate that issue with your soon-to-be ex-spouse or your child's other co-parent. Now, when you're negotiating this, please just realize that negotiation is something that takes cooperation between both parties, okay? When you negotiate something, you can come to a totally different agreement than the court would come to if they were assessing your case under the same facts and scenarios. So you should always take one opportunity, two opportunities, even three, to try to negotiate your case with your co-parent. Thank you for watching Adelola Sheralynn, your divorce lawyer, here to help you turn fear into power when happily ever after fades away. I hope that that information helps you along your journey. Please click subscribe to see all of my future videos and to be notified when they drop. Thanks for watching.